What's the meaning of civil war? Civil war. Civil war.
Civil war. Civil war. Civil war refers to a violent conflict within a country, usually between two different factions or groups that hold differing political or ideological beliefs. The result of civil war can be devastating, with significant loss of life and damage to infrastructure. The winning side often emerges as the newly dominant authority, while the losing side may face punishment or persecution. Civil war can also have long-lasting effects on society, including deep-seated divisions and ongoing instability even after the fighting has ended.